We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Crack You RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions of SSC CPO exam. To get this important update, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the daily update. So today's first question is, which of the following combination shows the formation of slag? Okay, what is slug? Slug is a waste product formed by combination of flux and gas, that is impurity, during the extraction of metal by smelting process. Okay, there are type of flux, that is acidic flux and basic flux, and the examples are silica oxide, borax and magnesium. So the only combination of flux and gas is one, that is option A, that is silica and limestone. So the correct answer is option A. Next question. What is the chemical formula of naphthalene? Okay, naphthalene is an organic compound and the simplest polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon and is a white crystalline solid, and the chemical formula of naphthalene is C10H8. Next question. What can be the pH of milk? Okay, the pH of milk ranges from 6.5 to 6.7 and it changes over time, that is obvious. So according to the options, we can say the pH of the milk is 6.5. Next question. Which of the following shows the correct use of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4? Okay, one of its most familiar application is it is used in as electrolyte in lead acid storage batteries. So the correct use is in a lead storage battery as an electrolyte. So option A is correct. Next question. What is absolute zero? Like it says, absolute zero is, okay, absolute zero is a lowest limit of a thermodynamic temperature scale, a state at which enthalpy and entropy of a cooled ideal gas reaches their minimum value, taken as 0 Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. So we can say absolute zero is the lowest temperature theoretically possible, that is option D. Next question. What is dry ice? Dry ice is simply solidified carbon dioxide, that is solidified CO2. Option A is the correct answer. Next. It's known to be used in Egypt in 3000 BC, but its name had been derived from an old French expression. It is made from the fermentation of ethanol in a process that yield its key ingredient, ethanoic acid. What is it? Like it's talking about a particular thing that is yield in this way. We know acetic acid is produced by fermentation of ethanol or sugar by acetic acid bacteria. So among these four, the one which contains acetic acid is vinegar. So the correct answer is vinegar. Yeah. Next question. Amino acid are found in, okay, what are amino acid? Amino acid 2 are organic compound composed of nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen along with a variable side chain, and amino acid is also called magic 20, and there are only 20 amino acids present in a human body with 9 essential and 11 non-essential, and these 20 helps in formation of all kind of protein. So amino acid are found in protein obviously. Next question. The point at which solid, liquid and gases form of a substance coexist is called, like a particular point or where temperature and pressure is such that all the three states of a substance coexist is called triple point, as you can go with the name triple point. Next question. The gas that causes suffocation and death when coal or coke is burnt in a closed room. Okay, when coal and coke is burnt in a closed room, it forms carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide is a gas that prevents oxygen in our body from combining with hemoglobin, and instead it combines itself with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which is stable. And this particular compound, that is carboxyhemoglobin, causes oxygen starvation in our body. So the correct answer to this question is carbon monoxide. Next question. If there is 1 million magnesium 2 plus ion in MgCl2, how many chloride ion are used? Okay, we know chloride ion, that is chlorine, has a valency of minus, as it is halogen, so it's 1 minus, that is written as Cl. I'm bad with writing. Okay, Cl minus. So, and here we have 2 plus. So, to satisfy this, we need 2 chloride ion. So, for 1 mole of magnesium 2 plus, we need 2 mole of chloride ion. So, for 1 million magnesium 2 plus ion, we obviously need 2 million chloride ions. Now, next question. The common name of sodium bicarbonate is, it's baking soda, and its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Next question. Dry ice is the solid form of, as I said earlier, dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Next question. Which of the following is the best indicator of SO2 pollution? So the answer to this question is lichens. As lichens is a composite organism that arises from algae or cyanobacteria living among filaments of multiple fungi species. They are very sensitive to sulfur dioxide and do not grow in a polluted area. So these are the best indicators of SO2 pollution. Next question. The question says, which gas is responsible for depletion of ozone layer around Earth, which protect us from harmful ultraviolet rays? So the answer to this question is CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Next question. There are only 2 metals that are non-silver in color. What are they? It's very easy. It's copper and gold. As copper and gold has their distinct color, like we say gold, a golden color, that is darker side of yellowish color, so they are non-silver metals. Next question. When ice melt, when ice melts, its temperature remains constant. We all know the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius, and when it's melting, it absorbs the latent heat from the surrounding, and the temperature of the ice at that time remains same, that is 0, remains constant. Therefore, option C is the answer, that is remains constant. Next question. Which one of the following level of carbon monoxide present in atmosphere in ppm, that is part per million, leads to instant death of human being? Okay. So, when the level of carbon monoxide is 100 ppm, you can face a slight headache within 2 to 3 hours, whereas when it is 200 to 250, you can face slight headache and loss of judgment, but if it's 1000 or more, death in less than 2 hours can occur. So, the answer to this question is 1000 ppm. Next question. Okay, this is the assertion and reason type. There are two sentences given. We need to see if sentence 1, that is assertion, is correct or not, or sentence 2, that is reason, that is correct or not, and whether the reason is the correct reason for the statement 1 or not. So, let us see the first statement. Oils are generally liquid at room temperature. Yeah, we all know it's true. The second statement, oil contains unsaturated fatty acid. Yeah, unsaturated fatty acids are called oil. So, reason is also correct. Now, let us see whether the reason is the correct reason or not. As oil contains unsaturated fatty acid, that is the reason it does not solidifies at room temperature. So, this makes it stay in a liquid form at room temperature. So, the reason is correct. So, the correct answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation for A. So, option C is correct. Next question. Yeah, match the following chemicals with its application. Okay, let's find the one. First, we know that is saccharin is artificial sweetener. We all know this. So, B must be 4. B4 are in two options, that is option B and option D. Now, aspirin is analgesic. Analgesic is one that gives relief from pain. So, we all know aspirin is analgesic. So, C must be 2. C2 is only seen in option B. Now, let us see the other. Okay, sodium benzoate is food preservative. So, A is 3. So, in option B we see A is 3, B is 4, C is 2, that is correct, and baking soda is antacid. So, D is 1. So, the correct answer to this question is option B. Next question. Which among the following is an amphoteric oxide which behaves acidic as well as basic? Okay, amphoteric compound are molecules or ion that can react both as an acid or as an base. There are many amphoteric oxide examples, but the major metals that form amphoteric oxides are copper, zinc, tin, lead, aluminium and beryllium, with hydroxides depending on the oxidation state of the oxides. So, the only metal here we see is aluminium oxide. So, the answer is option A. Next question. Superphosphate of lime which is used as a fertilizer is, what is superphosphate of lime that is used as a fertilizer? Okay, it is a compound produced by treating rock phosphate and gypsum with sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid or a mixture of both the acids. It is the principal carrier of phosphate and forms of phosphorus usable by plant. So, the answer to this question is option A. It's a mixture of rock phosphate, that is calcium dihydrogen phosphate, and gypsum. Next question. A polymer that softens on heating and hardens on cooling is known as thermoplastic. Which one of the following is the example of thermoplastic? The example of thermoplastic is polyvinyl chloride, and the other examples they are polyester, polypropylene, polystyrene, nylon, Teflon. So, for now option D is the correct answer. Next question. Match the following. Okay, let's find the easiest one that we know, that is ozone hole is caused by CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. Bhopal gas tragedy is caused by methyl isocyanide, that is 4. So B4C2, let's find where is B4C2. Okay, we can find B4C2 here and nowhere. Now, yeah, Chernobyl disaster is caused by radioactive substance, that means A must be 3. So here we see A is 3, B is 4, C is 2 and photochemical smoke is 1. So the correct answer to this question is option B. Next question, match the following once again. Okay, let's find the easiest one. Aspirin. What is aspirin? Aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid. So A is 2. Now we see A2 in option C and option D. So for B, this can sound difficult, but this is easy. B is hydrochloric acid. So B is 3, but even here in option C and option D we find B to be 3. So C and D will now be the deciding one. Ibuprofen, what is it? Ibuprofen, also known as isobutyl phenyl propanoic acid, is aryl methyl acetic acid. So C is D and that is present in option C. So the correct answer to this question is option C, whereas RDX is cyclotrimethylene trinitramine. Next question. Yeah, once more, match the following. This is the easy one. We know glucose is monosaccharide, maltose is disaccharide, that is A2C4. A2 is found here, A2 is found here and C4 we can find in option A. So till now let's go with option A, A2C4, and starch is polysaccharide, it's B3, so B3, A2C4, and chitin, that is polysaccharide with nitrogen containing hydrocarbon. Chitin are the hard layering of insects, the hard cover find outside the insect. So the correct answer to this question is option A, that is A2, B3, C4 and D1. Next question. Aqua regia, also known as royal water or king's water, which can dissolve noble metal, gold and platinum in a mixture of, okay, aqua regia is the mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid in a molar ratio of 1:3. So the answer to this question is B. It's both A and B in a ratio of 1:3. Next question. Yeah. Which greenhouse gas is a result of rapid industrial expansion? Once again, this is CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, and it causes ozone depletion. Next question. What is the symbol of the element tin? Okay, so you can obviously guess it's Tn, but no, that's wrong, it's not Tn. The symbol of tin, which has atomic number 50, is decided by its Latin name, that is stannum, and according to it the symbol of tin is Sn. So the correct answer is B. Next question and the last question. Reduction in chemical reaction is, we know oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. In oxidation we lose 1 electron, and in reduction we gain 1 electron. So in reduction, in chemical reaction, take 1 electron to be hydrogen, as hydrogen has only 1 electron. So we gain a hydrogen, that is reduction in chemical reaction is the gain of hydrogen. So option D is correct. So this was the last question. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also have all the previous year papers of SSC exam like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution written. And the link is given in the description box. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and please press the bell icon to get the daily updates. Thank you. We Crack You provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Crack You SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock.